Hello, hi, and welcome to TechLab YouTube channel. Another video I'm gonna show you how to control two different computer you can control in a one mouse and keyboard. Okay, so in this case I need the software application from Microsoft. Open the Microsoft Edge, go to the address bar and type Google. Here I'm gonna type mouse without border. Select the first link, download mouse without borders from official website from Microsoft. I'm gonna select, and this is the software. Let me download first. I'm gonna save in the desktop, and this is the software which I download right now. I'm gonna right click and install and click next and accept terms and conditions and install and click yes. And once the installation complete, the same steps you have to follow the second computer. Okay, and open the software, the shortcut in the desktop, and click yes. Here you can see this is the first computer. Okay, and I will show you the second computer. This is the second computer. I'm going to configure right now, and let's start configure. Go to the first computer. I'm going to open the software which I installed right now and click yes. And once you open the software, you will get the module like this. And I'm going to rearrange. By default, the first local machine is connected, okay? And the second, you have to choose the second monitor. I'm gonna click. Once you click, the second monitor is enabled, and this is the first computer security key, okay? And I'm gonna open the second computer, the same software, and see the security key. Look at the second monitor, the security key, okay? And I'm going to enter the first computer, the same security key, okay? Then after that, click apply. Now the two computer connected in a single mouse, okay? Let me drag the mouse, you can see here. And now you can control the mouse, the second computer also, the same use. Now I'm going to open the file explorer and let me open the C drive. If you are using the multiple computer, you don't need to insert the second mouse and second keyboard, so you can use in a single device. It's very useful software. If you are using in a multiple computer for editing or anything, this is very helpful for you. Please try to install and do the same configurations. Dear all, please like and share, subscribe the YouTube channel. See you in the next video.